Hi, I'm Ari. I love to come up with big ideas, especially when we get ideas from nature about how to build something new. Like this maple seed. When I see it fall, it reminds me of the spinning top of a helicopter. I wonder if that's where the idea came from. Why don't we use ideas from nature to build a fun new vehicle? Let's do it! Ready? Let's imagine and build a vehicle. A vehicle is something that helps us move from one place to another. The first thing to add is a body for your vehicle. Take a look at all these choices. You can choose an animal to inspire the body of your vehicle. Tap something to see what that part will look like on your vehicle. Heavy. Rhinos are big, heavy, and tough. They're hard to knock over, but they move slow. Let's add something else to the vehicle. Click the plus sign to add a new part. You can add one more thing to the vehicle, or you can test it. Solar panel. Sail. Sailfish have long fins on their back that can be raised and lowered like a sail on a boat. Caterpillar tracks. Caterpillars have lots of tiny feet that are good at gripping the ground. Continue. Great job! You built your first vehicle inspired by nature. Choose a place to see how well your vehicle moves. Then tap the check mark. Continue. Grassy hills. Continue. Now it's time to test your vehicle. We can see how well it does here. Looks like we're stuck. I wonder if this vehicle would work better in a different place. Let's take a look at how you built your vehicle. Click on a part of your vehicle to find out more about it. These tracks are great for gripping the ground. This body is really heavy. The sail didn't have enough wind to help push the vehicle. Continue. You can create a new vehicle, edit this vehicle, or try it in a different environment. Create a vehicle. Press me to hear more. Lightweight. Hang glider. Helicopter blades. Wheels. Balloons. Clawed wheels. Paddle wheel. Landing gear. Continue. Continue. Sandy. Zoom! Why do you think this vehicle can move so easily? Wow, that is so cool! Continue. Create a vehicle. High off the ground. Solar panel. Sail. Hang glider. Solar panel. Clawed wheels. Wheels. Continue. Continue. Water and land. Looks like we're stuck. I wonder if this vehicle would work better in a different place. This body is tall and heavy, so it sinks in the water. These wheels don't help in the water or in the air. Home. Continue. Edit. Change the parts of your vehicle here. Wheels. Flippers. Solar panel. Hang glider. Sail. Continue. Deep water. Continue. It's sunk! Haha! I wonder how we could make it float. This body is tall and heavy, so it sinks in the water. Continue. Edit high off the ground. Streamlined. Flippers. Clawed wheels. Balloons. Paddle wheel. Sail. Sail. Continue. Zoom! Why do you think this vehicle can move so easily? Woohoo! It made it to the finish line! Continue. Low to the ground. Hang glider. Caterpillar tracks. Wheels. Clawed wheels. Paddle wheel. Clawed wheels. Continue. Grassy hills. Continue. Zoom! Why do you think this vehicle can move so easily? Wow! That is so cool! Continue. Create a vehicle. Boat. Sail. Balloons. Wheels. Clawed wheels. Flippers. Continue. Deep water. Whoa! What do you notice? Wow! That is so cool!